I am calm and peaceful as I drift into sleep. My mind releases the day's worries and embraces rest. Tonight, every breath I take eases me into a state of tranquility. My dreams are a source of joy and creativity. I let go of all tensions with each breath out. My body rejuvenates and heals itself as I sleep. I am grateful for this day and the opportunities it presented. My thoughts become quiet and serene as night falls. Each moment brings me closer to a peaceful slumber. I am worthy of restful and rejuvenating sleep. My sleep is a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. I embrace the stillness of the night with a calm mind. My heart is light and my dreams are sweet. I release all negative thoughts and welcome positive ones. As I lay down, I feel supported and safe. Sleep comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am surrounded by love and warmth as I sleep. My body knows exactly how to relax and unwind. I am thankful for the experiences of today. Each night, I am filled with a sense of contentment. My sleeping space is a cocoon of comfort and calm. I trust in the process of life and let go of control. My inner peace grows stronger as I prepare to sleep. I am in harmony with the rhythm of the night. Restful sleep empowers me for the day ahead. I allow myself to drift into deep, healing sleep. My mind is clear and my body is relaxed. I am deserving of a peaceful and restorative night. Sleep strengthens me for new challenges and opportunities. I let go of all expectations and embrace rest. My spirit rejuvenates as I surrender to sleep. Tonight, my dreams are gentle and uplifting. I am enveloped in tranquility and peace as I sleep. My sleep is a time for my body to heal and renew. I release the past and look forward to tomorrow. Every cell in my body relaxes and releases stress. I am in a state of deep and restful sleep. My mind is a sanctuary of calm and relaxation. I find joy and peace in my dreams. I am at ease, letting sleep come naturally. My heart is filled with gratitude as I rest. I embrace the quiet of the night, feeling serene. Sleep is a natural, rejuvenating process for me. I am surrounded by an aura of calm as I sleep. Each breath I take is a step towards peace. I am in tune with the needs of my body and mind. My bed is a haven of comfort and relaxation. I am grateful for the gift of restful sleep. Tonight, I let go of all worries and embrace peace. I am worthy of a night filled with sweet dreams. My mind and body are in perfect harmony for sleep. I find strength and renewal in my sleep. I trust that each night brings deeper peace. I am relaxed, safe, and free from worries as I sleep. My dreams reflect the peace and joy in my life. I welcome the still, comforting embrace of the night. Every night, I am more attuned to my inner peace. I am filled with a sense of well-being as I sleep. My bedroom is a sanctuary of peace and quiet. Sleep is a precious gift that I cherish each night.